Today's video is all about the most exciting and unique tools that you can get your hands on in the marketplace. So let's begin.
So guess who made a pretty awesome screwdriver? Yeah, it's Milwaukee. It's got storage for your bits. And best of all, you can chuck it right into your impact.
Small in size, big on tricks. Fits in tight spots and carries its own bits like a pocket toolbox. Great for electronics, automotive, or any DIY squeeze spot. Slices through steel, tile, and just about anything else that gets in its way. Compact, cordless, and quick. It makes tough cuts feel easy. "13,000 RPM in the palm of your hand. Yeah, that's serious speed. This mini tool is perfect for trimming, smoothing, and those fine detailed jobs where precision actually matters. Behold, a wrench that no hex nuts or bolts can escape from. Sliding jaws that lock in with power you wouldn't expect. This wrench grips like it refuses to let go. And now, let there be light. Getting stuck in the dark is the worst. This LED torch blasts out serious brightness, sticks where you need it, and charges up fast so it's always ready. Wanna feel like Magneto for real? Strap this on and every screw, nail, and bit sticks right to your wrist like magic. Now you can have any tool in the palm of your hand in no time. Sick of squinting at tiny tape markings? This digital tape shows the numbers clearly, stores them for later, and still works like a classic reel. All brains, no guesswork. Want to see something more incredible? How about a wire twister that twists wires cleaner and faster than a pro electrician on the double espresso? Alright, stepping into the heavy zone now.
GKS Hydraulic Toe Jack, the first jack designed with an adjustable toe. It's engineered to lift heavy loads that are low to the ground. GKS offers models from 5 to 30 tons.
This machine does the lifting for you. No strain, no struggle, just pure muscle on command. No more endless hand filing. This bench tool cleans, spins, and smooths metal edges in seconds, ready to use right away.
16 rare earth magnets supply super holding power on any ferrous pipe, tube, conduit, or other workpiece.
Magnets on both sides mean this level sticks like glue, even upside down. Rugged, steady, and always dead on. It swaps rolls in a snap. Nails 1 minute, staples the next. From framing the furniture, it keeps the pace without missing a beat. Measuring tall spaces doesn't need a ladder or a helping hand anymore. This laser tool stretches up, does the math, and gives you perfect numbers in seconds.
Install the 4x4 post, pretty easy to do. You pull it out all the way up to 130 feet. It locks in place. When I'm all done, give it a tug and put it back in.
No more tripping over messy cords and hoses. This reel pulls everything in neatly, rolling it up smoothly no matter the size. move pallets in heavy gear with less back strain and zero ratcheting. These powered straps grip and tighten automatically, making lifting and securing faster, safer, and way less sweaty. Small frame, big punch. Only 4.3 inches long, but packs 1,100 pounds of torque. This little driver squeezes into corners and still delivers full power. Punches clean holes through steel like butter. All cordless, no mess. Precision punching, zero tether.
Apply it to the wall, allow that yellow flashing symbol to get calibrated, and then you're going to slide it across until you identify the red, and then you would mark off the red as your
stud finder, laser level, and LED light, all baked into a powerful 12-volt drill. Everything you need right where you need it. Grabs up to 375 pounds like a champ. Glass, drywall, tile, you name it. No straps, no strain. Just lift and go. Simple as that. Now, think Lego, but for grown-ups. These magnetic modules snap together. Drill, driver, or rotary tool, all stacked in one tidy kit. Spotting hidden problems doesn't need a whole setup anymore. This compact borescope slips in anywhere, shows a clear view on its screen, and even saves what it sees. Light in the hand, but sharp in action. This router glides along edges so cleanly it feels more like drawing than cutting. Packs the punch of a storm in your hand, blasting nearly 900 CFM without a single cord. Even autumn leaves know they don't stand a chance. Strap it on and forget it's there, until you need it. A glow-in-the-dark titanium edge that's always ready for quick cuts and everyday fixes. Barely over a pound, yet screaming at 25,000 RPM, this grinder handles detail work like a pro. Heats up to nearly 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds. No cord attached. Perfect for quick fixes like shrink wrap, paint peel, or thawing pipes on the fly. And that's the magic of cool tools. Big or small, each one makes the job faster, cleaner, and a whole lot more fun. Stick around, because the next batch will raise the bar even higher.